2, 3. 1. Oh, ready. Okay, same one. No. No. Quick step is 4/4 time or 2/4 time. So the timing is very different. Okay, for one. Yeah, actually, there's a beanies cross in just about every smooth dance. You could do it. There's a beanies cross in tango, actually, that looks a lot like this. Just different timing and characteristics of the dance. That's a good question. Okay, so guys, by the end of the first 1, 2, 3, we will have done a half of a turn, right? We'll be facing that way. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Now, the majority of our rotation happens on the 3. Yes? So it's almost like you're not really rotating a whole lot. 1, 2, 3. And then the lady has to feel that close. Yeah? So at the end of 3, you'll be here on your left foot. And you'll do, instead of crossing though when you go back, it's just back, side together. Back, side, together. Yeah? Good. Guys, let's try that. Let's do a few of them. So let's back again. So let's back up a little bit. And we'll maybe try like 2 or 3 in a row. All right. Ready? And 1, 2, cross, back, side, together. 1, 2, cross. Okay, get more time. Don't worry. Good. Very nice. Now, at the end, give him a hand, girl. At the end, you will not actually be back to line of dance by the end of the 6th count. You're actually going to have a little more sense here and maybe here. That way, on your forward step is when you'll continue. It's kind of a detail, but don't try to get all the way around is what I'm saying. Okay, one more time, guys, and we'll go over the ladies' part, okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Very good. Guys, questions? Comments? Complaints? Your feet's too big. Just for that, right? Yeah, what is that? I heard him say his feet was too big. Oh, his feet was too big. So, girls, let's go over your footwork first, and then I'll show how it looks all together. Okay? So, we're doing exactly the same thing they're doing, only we're doing the back half first. Okay? Now, another note for both partners. This is really super important. This is like, super important moment right here. See, that's what I like. Whoever is moving forward, which is going to change, right? Whoever's going forward side cross is going to be traveling more, doing more rotation, moving more. Okay? Whoever's doing the back half, which will first be the lady, is doing a smaller steps. Yeah? Because what's happening is I'm moving and going around her, crossing, and then I'm letting her go around me. Yes, as a man. But for the lady, it's the same thing. We have the back half first, of course. So it's small because we're letting him come around us without moving too much. So let's try that together. Just the girls. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good. By the end of the 3, you're good. No, you're fine. You're absolutely right. You should be facing almost to that wall. And then we have forward, side, cross. It's a bigger part. Forward, side, cross. Good. Let's do that again, girls. Back, side, together. Forward, side, cross. Back, side, together. Forward, side, cross. Are we having trouble? That's the one with the trouble. Yes.
The man goes right over there.
No, both partners do the same thing.
Your left turn, so it's the
Yes, correct. It's on the forward part, right? So whenever you're going forward for both partners, it's with the left foot. So let's go over just the girls' part again. Maybe this time just watch me, and I'm going to do it real slowly, just so we can really get a good grasp on this. So very slowly. Remember, the back part is going to be smaller. So I let him go around me, side, together. Now I have forward, side, cross as I rotate to my left. Forward, side, cross. So it's just like the forward half of a box, except instead of bringing my left foot together, I just bring it right in front. And the reason we do that is because it increases our rotation. That's the reason for cross. Are you? When you?
done this before.
Okay.
Back, 2, 3.
Correct.
Now, am I stepping out on my left or my right?
Your left. You go forward.
So I'm
side.
dragging my right foot over.
Nope. You're going to go sideways. So we're going to go.
I'm not expecting it.
And now you pat your head and good. Does that help though? So you're crossing the left foot when you take the step with the left foot, but you're crossing over your right foot. Yeah? Let's try that together a couple more times, girl. So we're here in our closed-in position. We have 1, 2, 3, forward, side, cross. Good. Now, same thing that I told the men. Okay.
Left back, side, curve, and to the back.
Exactly. You're absolutely right. Yeah, for both partners. The belly button is actually facing diagonal.
4, 1, you really rotate. Side, you do good. And forward, side, curve.
Exactly. Yes, absolutely. But the first half, you're not going to get all the way around. Exactly. Good question. So, what was the other thing? Oh, and it's kind of related to that. Girls, we don't have to do a lot of rotation, even though it seems like it, until the cross. Sometimes what I'm seeing a little bit on the second half is this. You're wanting to really get around. We don't have to do that. We're going to take a forward step, not a huge side step, but then when we cross, look what happens. That's when I'm going to torque my shoulders and get back to facing, again, spine and hands. Yeah?
What do you do after this part?
You do it all again.
So, right foot
Exactly,
back,
yes.
side.
Just like regular waltz, you know how in slow waltz, how in slow waltz if we do a left turn or a box, it's 1, 2, 3, 1. Very, very similar to this. Yeah? The only difference is the rotation and the crossings. So if I don't bother with the rotation and do the same thing, 1, 2, cross, exactly the same, just crossing the pieces. Yeah, and for the ladies, same thing. If we're doing slow waltz, a left turn or a box is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, right? Same thing in Annie's waltz, except we're just crossing on the second time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, cross. Yeah. Okay. Any more questions, girls? Do you want to go over the ladies part a couple more times? Okay. Yes. All right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 2, cross. 1, 2, cross. I feel like this might be easier, believe it or not, with partners. So yeah. So rather than practicing it by ourselves, let's just go ahead and grab our men.